Going to do our lesson on box and whiskers plots. So this is another way of displaying your data. Okay, it's not covered in Jack Plus, so that's why we have like an extra lesson. So now I want you to go and watch your video in Maths Online that is called Box and Whiskers Plots, and it's lesson 4333. You can go to Maths Online directly, or you can go to the link that I have posted in Google Classroom and also in the comments below. Once you have finished watching the video, please continue watching this playlist since I have some comments to make. So because this video is so short, I'm not going to stop here. So I'm actually going to make my comments. So it's the time to stop, go watch the video. So pause, go watch the video and come back. Okay. I hope that you're back. So I'm going to make my first comment. So box and whiskers plots. Okay, so when they were talking about lower string, upper string, lower quartile, median, and upper quartile, I want to give you other names that are also used and are maybe more common than these ones. So lower string basically is the minimum value. Upper string is the maximum value. The lower quartile is referred as Q2. The median is Q3, and the upper quartile is Q4. Okay, so when you have your graph of your box and whiskers plot, the lower extreme is going to be your minimum value, this spot here, and your upper string is going to be your maximum value. In the videos, they actually show you how to draw it, so I'm not doing that very specifically, but I'm just pointing out the things here. This line here is going to be Q1. This one is called Q2, or can also be called the median. That's correct as well. And this line here is going to be Q3. Okay, wonderful. I made a mistake. Of course I did. Sorry. Q2, Q3, there you go. And this one is Q4. Okay, all good, fantastic. So now, the other thing that I'm going to do is show you how to do it. So this example that they did there manually, I'm going to show you where to get these 5 results from your CAS, so that you can actually, and this is how I recommend that you do your questions. I want you to use your CAS to find the values and then use your ruler and practice how to draw it, because as in the video they say, it has to make done to scale. So practice how to do that, but these values, you can find them in your CAS. So if I go into my CAS, okay, I already have entered the data here. I haven't ordered it or anything. You can see 24, 32, 34, 26. 24, 32, 34, 26. So I have entered the data as it is in here, okay? And now I'm going to go into menu. Same thing that we have been doing. Statistics, stat calculations, one variable statistics. Good. Number of lists, okay. I actually called my data, I called it data. So there we go. Frequency 1. Results on column C, that's perfect. Okay, good. So this is what I want us to see. Here we have, okay, look, minimum X, 19. So if we go here, minimum X, 19. So that's the minimum. Then Q1, they call it here Q1, it should be called Q2, but that's okay. So this Q1 here, that means is the Q2 is 24. What? Here, lower quartile, 24. I was like, what? Okay, here it is. So what we call Q2. Wonderful. Then it goes into the median, that is 55.2. Or if I see here, 27.5. So if I look at the median here, 27.5. Beautiful. And then let's continue going down. Then the Q3, we call it Q4, it's 30. And now the upper stream is 34. So with this data, I just got confused what they call it Q1 and Q2 and Q3. Maybe, yeah, because I think in America, they do call the lower Q1. Okay, I don't know. I'm a little bit confused, but it doesn't matter. What matters is what the values represent, okay? So I hope that you find this useful, and you know what, so I'm going to draw this one very quickly, and it's not going to be to scale, but you should do it to scale. So you do first your number line. It should be with a ruler, okay? I'm going to use view my grid. So if I'm going to use my grid here, I'm going to do it down here. Okay, so first I have to insert my number line. Okay, I'm going to use a smaller grid. View. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to start at 18. I'm going to put my 18 here. So 19, this is 20, 22, 24, 26. This is what I didn't want it to do, but I couldn't help myself. 20, 28, 30, 32, and 34. And 34. Okay. Lower string, or the minimum, 19. So it's going to be here. Upper string, 34. So it's going to be up here. Then the median is 27.5. So 27.5 is going to be here. Now my lower quartile, 24. So it's going to be here. And my upper quartile, 30. It's going to be here. And then I do my box. This should be straight, perfect with a ruler. And then I have my whiskers. Okay, wonderful, girls. Thank you.